Good morning. Happy Memorial Day. Today's our last day here down in the Hocking Hills area, just southeast of Columbus, Ohio, the Buckeye territory. So I'm sporting a blue today. The rest of them went up to the shower hut. I'm gonna get coffee going, and then we're gonna pack it up and get out of here. We're gonna find breakfast in town somewhere or whatever. But Conkle's Hollow, I believe, is the other one we're going to today to hike. So that'll be our last hike, our last scenic area, I think, and then we'll be making our way back home. We got about an 8-hour drive home, so we're up a little earlier this morning to get things going and get packed up, like I said, and get out of here, hit that last hiking trail, and then wrap it up. What is Conkle's Hollow Trail. That's where we're at today. So this will be our last hike of this trip. So starting off with a little footbridge, kind of cool, boardwalk. So we'll see what we can see up here. Well, we chose the rim trail first, so you gotta get up there. Lots of stairs again. It's pretty back here, but there's a few warning signs to stay on the trails because of the high cliffs and stuff, so we'll stay on the trails. I gotta show you this. I don't know how good this camera's gonna capture it, but see this little washout right here in the trail? It just keeps on going and going and going. That's a long way down. Alright, we did the rim trail at Conkle's Hollow. It's a pretty hike, not as spectacular as the others that we've been on, but now we're doing the gorge trail, which is basically right down the middle of it, and it's concrete sidewalk. It's an out and back trail where the other one was a loop, so one-way traffic on a lot of the trails here. Not everybody adheres to that, but for the majority of them do. It's kind of nice because all the traffic going the same way on the hike. So yeah, now we're hiking up the gorge and be able to see the waterfalls and the caves from down in the gorge instead of trying to find them from up top. got our final hike of the day in. Hocking Hills, like I keep saying, it's beautiful down there. So we just stopped and fueled up. We're on our way back. We got a long drive, so it was a good weekend.
Yep.
We had a good time. A lot of beautiful scenery. We had great weather. We had a little bit of sprinkle. Was it yesterday?
Yeah.
Yesterday. A little bit of sprinkling, but not even enough to get out of. I mean, it stopped as quick as it started, and other than that, it's been sunny and hot. Been beautiful weather. So we're gonna wrap this one up. Like always, we adventure at our level. Get out there, adventure at your level. Thanks for watching.